All right, it's recording.
All right. I'll be the filmer.
Yes.
This.
Of course, as soon as you crack that, I have somebody's long hair blowing up across my face.
Hello, guys. All right. Just set that over here.
Got it.
Nice. Let's see.
Hold that for a second.
Yep.
I'm gonna put this empty box up here and then we can.
The screen switched to like the time.
Yeah, it's just telling you how long it's recording.
Oh, okay.
Box.
Here's this.
Not a lot
All right.
going on this
Outside,
fella.
I can't see though.
You can't see.
No, this.
Like,
Oh.
Oh, okay. All right. Nothing on that
did it
side.
hold anything on there yet?
No.
No.
All right. Outside frame.
They're pulling on this next one.
So we had to graft some,
We left.
Oh, I see.
We left them too long in the swarm trap.
and they
Well,
built comb
They
down.
started hanging comb off of.
I see a bunch. Some capped brood. And then looks just like shiny. Oh yeah, that side's all shiny. Any eggs or anything in? Or is that just all?
No.
Oh, this room is
Got a little bit of brood and nectar.
See how chill they are?
We used to have to just whisper with Margaret. We couldn't even talk.
Here, turn it so the sun is. Just gonna do this just so that we have footage.
That was one of the grafted ones.
It was. They're filling it.
out.
Very
Just-
pretty.
Do you see any eggs or anything?
No.
Okay.
No.
Just nectar. Oh man.
Nectar.
That next one.
Ooh, busy, busy.
Oh,
Just a bunch of nectar.
it's mostly empty.
Okay.
There was
I mean,
some
there is some
nectar on
nectar.
my side.
A little bit of brood there. Fresh wax.
Yay.
No signs of Mama's been up here.
Mama's been up here. We got capped brood. We got larva. Yes.
Ready for the other side?
Yep. Just get
This queen's not marked.
but she's big and beautiful and golden. Don't see her, but definitely got.
She's been around.
Yep.
Got it.
Good. I'm so happy she traveled up. See any eggs?
I see larva. This comb is so dark.
Just tilt it so the sun shines in.
Oh, I need to.
Oh, they're filling this one in too. This was another grafted.
Pretty mature larva. Next time we're in here, this is real good.
Okay. Oh, we got quite a bit of brood over here. Kept brood. Still don't see Mama.
You said she's pretty big.
Yeah, she's a golden.
Oh.
Let him. See if you see any eggs.
This was one of the grafts, so it could have had larvae to start with, or I'm sorry, eggs to start with. But that one for sure she's been on, so I'm not keeping track of time on when. got moved to the top. But they've definitely filled the frame out more.
Yeah.
This one's pretty sticky.
Right. Cat. No mama. Oh, I see eggs though. Right down in there. Don't know if you can see it with the camera. But there are eggs, so we're getting closer to mama. Look, the other side.
And actually, you can probably just, when you're done with it, put it soft set there.
Do you see any eggs?
No, I think I just see lots
I think I'll just. Oh, yeah, there's eggs. Down here in this newer comb.
Ooh.
See them? Down right in there.
Yes. Oh, they're so tiny.
You haven't done anything with that, huh?
Nope, that's the plastic. I don't like that.
I'm gonna put it.
Not a whole lot going on here.
Nope.
I think they pulled a little more comb.
They have.
I saw it.
Alright. This next one will be heavy. I'm so happy that she's moved up.
Oh, these two might not be able to be next to each other.
We'll pack them in later.
Wash everybody.
Thank you.
Heavy.
That's cat, hunt, and nectar. Like the sweat dripping down my back.
Mm-hmm. I feel it on my face, and I think it's a bee. Get out of my
Shiny, shiny nectar. Okay. Oh, they've started pulling on this outside one. Unless it was already pulled, I don't remember.
That's an old frame.
But it's one of the wax foundation ones. They just don't like, or the plastic. They just don't like it as much. At least that's what I have found.
Should I leave this one on the outside since it's
Yeah.
kind of just not the fave?
I don't know that we really need to switch the order of any of it.
All right, so
There's that one that needs drawn right in the middle. We have brood on both sides of it. There's still plenty of space for them to keep building comb off of these grafts.
well, if you think about it, it needs to be 80%. Yeah, she probably still has room. Especially when we look down at the bottom.
Yeah. Right now, I don't think she needs another box. I think she still needs syrup, and they've got plenty of comb to build. So.
That right there would have made Margaret go ballistic.
Oh, yeah, she would have been dive bombing us like no other.
This one is one of the plastic ones. Do you want me to leave it on the outside?
I'd put it back in the middle in hopes that they end
Do
up doing
something?
something with it.
We need to melt down some wax and just add some extra wax. I have read that if you super heavily wax the plastic ones, they'll use them better, but they're not huge fans. So yay that Mama has come up. I know, see how chill? They're
It's
so
crazy. It is shocking how relaxed they are. Oh, I'm sinking.
Oh yeah.
I just crunched a lady.
Oh, sorry, lady.
Oh, the grease smells nice. They pull that out a lot. That is awesome. Alright, let me make some space.
Back the corner for me.
See how chill? Like nobody.
Yeah, this is really wild.
Nobody comes up to get this.
This is really wild. Excuse me, friend. Excuse me. Excuse me. I need to get in there. Literally where you are.
Do you want the frame grabber?
Maybe.
Can you hold this? All of our slippers are. So don't let us forget. On top of this one is where we want to put the slippers.
Nectar
It's
for
nectar.
days. Yeah, she's so. Oh! Oh, I'm spotting eggs. Little teeny tiny eggs. Over here. I didn't really see them on the other side.
Well, that's a good sign out on the edge frame. If she's laying.
Really? Let me see.
Yes, there were little eggs. I saw them kind of in this general area.
Here's this one. Oh, and this is a plastic frame.
Oh, and why are they even on it?
Oh, yep, there's some right there in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Coolest creature on
This side, some nectar, but Mama hasn't made it to this side. There aren't any eggs.
So, orientation-wise,
There's a couple larvae. Oh no. There might be some eggs. Look in the middle. Okay, so they're still building this side out.
pollen.
Yeah.
They're so cute. Hi, girls.
Any eggs in those?
I just flipped. I didn't see any on the other side.
Did you see some larvae on the other side?
I didn't see
Eggs.
anything but nectar on the other side.
All right, flip it over.
Here's larva over here.
Okay.
I don't see any. Oh, yes, in the middle.
Look at the
Yeah, I
larva.
see like 3, 4, 5. Oh, they're just so hard to spot with this kind of light comb.
All right, here, can Mark see it?
Sure. Sorry, I promise I'm letting go.
Here, no, I can tell you when I've got it. And you can.
Okay.
That's good. Pollen.
Well, these larvae up here are probably like a day from being capped. Or that's not larva.
Nope.
I thought it was larva peeking through the bees.
I see tongues stuck out, so they're putting in. Oh my goodness.
There's a lot of
There.
heads down in comb.
Look at all of these frames. Look for Mama. Don't see her. Don't see her. So what do you see?
Brood.
Some kept honey on the top.
I see larvae. Big, juicy worms.
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of those. Yeah, Mama's working hard.
No blue pattern.
The smell is the best.
What is the on that side?
There's some Cheeto pollen, brood, nectar, a little bit of
Any
cap up
eggs?
here. I haven't.
Or larva?
There's a couple larvae, a dozen or so in the bottom left. Lots of pollen mixed in on that one.
I'm happy that she went upstairs at least a little.
She did. She was sauntering all around.
Look at that nice blue pattern.
It's gorgeous. She's a good mom. I don't see her, but she's a good mom.
I definitely see them backfilling with nectar
In the brood chamber?
in the brood.
Yeah.
Guys, move up. There's space. I see her.
No.
Do you see her?
Yes! Hello, lady. You're doing a great job, Mum.
No, don't grab her unmarked.
Didn't bring the marker.
I don't want her marked.
Wow. She's beautiful. Not tattered wings.
Nope. Right.
Good personality.
Super
Wow,
chill.
she's so cool. I love her coloring.
She's starting to get a little bit darker.
Here she goes to the other side.
Yep.
Here she goes to the other side.
She's like, I want it to be dark.
Stop. Do you want me to just set her back?
Yeah,
we'll
I would
leave
just
it in
leave
there.
that frame in and just do it very carefully.
Yay! She looks great. I still can't believe you guys just caught a swarm. How fantastic.
I know.
Right over there.
Yep.
So cool.
Free bees.
It's like $200 worth of bees. Just free.
That's nuts. Ooh. Wow, look at that.
Beautiful brood pattern. Like, that is a gorgeous brood pattern. And no smoke. And everybody's happy.
That is
Do we want to put one of those frames?
Say what?
I think I would like to put one of those frames that didn't have a whole lot in it in between, because they're backfilling with nectar.
So, a frame that has drawn comb with nothing in it.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. Girl.
Because she is, all of these are full of brood.
Alright, next.
And I'd like to put it right beside where,
How, I mean, there wasn't a whole lot of frames.
or maybe it was one of the ones from the side that I want to move to the middle.
You got like 4 grafts in here.
Oh, that's true. Oh, goodness. Beautiful brood pattern. Look at her. Oh my goodness.
This is awesome. What a win.
I know.
What a win for the bees.
I mean, the only thing I don't like about these boots is that the top of my foot catches fire.
Oh,
When it's in
because
the
they're that rubber,
Yes.
not rubber. Do you mind holding on to
Yeah.
that? I haven't really actually needed it.
I mean, these frames are full of bees
Mm-hmm.
and brood.
Larva.
Backfilling. You see eggs down in there? You see a lot of nectar filling it over here.
In the middle, there's some big juicy guys, but I don't really see little tiny eggs.
I see all nectar here. It's like they're, and this next one is just wonky.
Oh, it is. It's like a topographical
This is
map.
probably the best candidate to swap.
Okay.
And even at that, it's not amazing.
Is it full of?
It's not full. It definitely has nectar in it. There's a decent amount of
Ooh. Sorry, ladies.
cells in here with nothing. Oh, no, there's got larvae in them.
Okay, then maybe just leave that up there. And I think one of these outside ones were pretty bare. Here's our wonky old comb.
Or
So capped honey. Any eggs?
the other option, babe, is we take one of those empty drawn frames from over there. If there's like just foundation, was there anything? Probably not. I think we're fine.
Okay.
I'm not seeing eggs.
I can't really see. Can you hold this? Nope. They've started kind of building out. They're trying to kind of fix it. Can you use your hive tool and kind of squish that bumpy comb? Just kind of squish it in.
This stuff?
No, up in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, just kind of squish it. They'll fix it. I just don't want to get in too wonky. All right. There we go. We'll put it back in. We've got. I'm feeling better about these other ones over here.
Any that we can take out so we can put a frame feeder in
This one has nothing on it.
on the very end?
Mm-hmm.
Is it better to have a frame feeder down there by the brood in the lower chamber? It's not good for having to refill it, but
Or switch that with one of the other ones so they can. Mama has. I don't see anything on that.
Nope.
let me set this back here for a minute. I don't know that that's the one we want to take out.
Larva.
Oh, is there larva?
Oh no, that's pollen or something.
Okay.
Bee bread? I don't know. What's the difference? Can you
So
see how it's kind of juicy in there?
then that's bee bread.
Bee bread.
Yep. I almost feel like we need to push them all that way and put some of these kind of closer to the queen over here because these are all empty, right?
Do you want
Like,
to hold that
yeah,
one?
I will hold this
Show the
one.
stuff around.
And
You want this one still in there?
that's fine.
Okay.
And then just slide everybody back over because Mama was over working this side and we'll put, what's the matter?
It's hot in the sun.
Oh.
Stick a
Oh, those things are hot.
Can't beekeeping be a winter activity?
Right? I mean, at this point, getting into the second box with Margaret, we would have been having to take a step back.
My goodness. They would have been all over us. Angry as can be.
Dive bombing our faces.
Yes, excuse me. Oh, girl, why did you do that? You just chopped her head off. Boy.
And just be super careful with these. 'Cause Mama's
Mama
probably...
is round. Mama's round these parts. Alright.
I might put this one in next.
Okay. This is my second year doing this with you.
It
Isn't that
is.
crazy?
And then slide Mama over. And then we'll put these other ones in.
They're getting noisy.
Yep.
Don't worry, ladies.
Mark, I'll let you grab these with your tiny gloves.
Thank you.
Never mind. Just use this. Yeah, I can just set it in.
Oh,
And then you can just slide it.
How about the aluminum? Well, it's not gonna get a.
Alright. Okay. We're ready for that box to be put back on.
wow. Love these bees.
Right. And Mama
Love
was so
them.
pretty.
Yeah.
We'll just keep doing the jars. I
know,
think
we're
the
done
giant
with you.
jars.
Yeah, this is the one I'm less
Concerned.
concerned about.
Look at these four. They're like lined up side by side.
Look at all these little heads.
They're so funny.
All right. Oh no. You got squished. Why are you? Did you get squished? What do I push to stop the video? Power button?
No, that button up there should stop.